Hand Farms. I wanted to introduce myself along with all of my animals. I will be posting more often here on YouTube in the life of Flock to the Hand Farm and what we do around here. I did not introduce you to Benjamin. He is quite special to me. He is somewhat of a rescue horse. He is my first horse. I'm first generation homesteader here in Central Florida. So everything that I'm learning or have learned is brand new to me, and I'm learning all the time, learning something new all the time. I'm not perfect. I don't claim to be an expert because I'm not. I just have fun with what I do. I read as much as I can, and I learn from the best people as well. And I take into consideration everyone's opinions and knowledge. So it's always awesome to learn new things. And you know, so what we do here is basically I have my chickens. They are kind of like pets, but they produce eggs for me and my family. I do have a garden up at the front, and we have the goats and the pigs. Some of the pigs are just pets. Pork Chop, however, is a pig for food. And I was raising baby goats this past 2 years. I did band my buck, Mr. Spicy Man, recently. So we don't have any more babies. However, I've been getting that baby fever for goats lately. So I might bring in a new buck. That's what we're doing. Our goal here at Flock to the Hand Farm is to be more self-sufficient. I did recently make some chicken stock out of all the roosters I hatched because I only got one out of that egg incubation period, which was fun for me. And you know, it's chaotic here. I curse a lot, and I'm not sorry. And it's fun, and I like to bring some joy and laughter along with me and just bring you guys along for the journey. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the introductions, and I will see you soon because I will be posting on YouTube more often. So please subscribe, hit like, and comment something nice about one of the animals. Hi Carl. Hi Spicy Man. Oh, Pork Chop. Hi, Woody. Hello. Emma. Hi, Emma. Pork Chop. Pork Chop. Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah. Oh, hi, Walter. Hi, Hugo. Hugo. Hi. Yeah. Oh, Emma. Spicy Man. Yeah, look at you. Oh, you feel so good. Okay. Feel good? My goodness. So good. Yeah. I love you too. This is Pork Chop for reasons. Her name. Yep, that's her name. She will be Pork Chops. This is Hugo. He's a rescue. This is Brennan. Hi, Brennan. That's sweet baby angel Carl. Spicy Man. This is Emma. That's Nillabean. She is the queen bee. We got Dale. Yes, Brennan and Dale from Step Brothers. Spicy Man. You're so cute. You're so cute. Sweet baby angel Carl. We have Mr. Fancy Pants. That's Barnaby. That's Betty. She has the twin sister Spaghetti. That is Muffin. That is Richard and Speckles. And that is Biscuit. This is Nancy. We've got Jolene over here with Poof Ball and her baby. We don't have a name for baby yet. That is one of the Rebeccas. That is Anna. And she has a sister, Elsa, right here. Then we do have Wendy. She is my scissored beak girl. We have her twin sister, Gertrude. We have Big Mama and Crazy Bitch Bird. She has a name for a reason, I promise. And then there's Dolly. She is Jolene's daughter. Then we do have a Miss Rebecca right here. And there's Sunny Girl. I kidnapped her from the side of the road before a hurricane. There is Spaghetti. Please subscribe, hit like, and comment something nice about one of the animals.